Okay guys, so you've had some time now to go over this entry task, so let's break it down exactly what we were looking for on that entry task. So here for entry task 1, it just says solving using substitution. So the first thing I'm going to do is identify my slope-intercept equation, which is this guy, and I'm going to plug him directly into that equation. So what I end up with then is negative 3x plus 4 parentheses negative 1/2 x minus 2 equals 12. Okay? And then I'm just going to, whoops, I don't need my parentheses there, I need it right there. Okay, equals 12. Then I'm just going to, now that I'm at that stage, I'm going to distribute, I'm going to combine, I'm going to isolate, and then I'm going to solve. So I'm going to distribute, so I get negative 3x, 4 times negative 1/2 is negative 2x, 4 times negative 2 is negative 8, and that all equals 12. Now I distributed, so now I'm going to combine my like terms. This is negative 5x minus 8 equals 12. I'm going to isolate my x, so I'm going to add the opposite here. Now I have negative 5x equals 12 plus 8 is 20. Then I'm going to divide both sides by negative 5. And I get x equals negative 4. Okay? The last step, now that I know what x equals, is just plugging it back into my y-intercept equation to find out what x equals. So I'm going to go from negative 4 times negative 1/2 minus 2. So negative 4 times negative 1/2 is a positive 2 minus 2. So my y is going to equal 0. Okay? For this one, it looks a little bit different. It actually looks a little strange, but this is technically in slope-intercept form. If it helps you see it better, you can write the plus 0 at the end. But I'm just going to take this value, I'm going to plug it in here. So I'm left with 3x plus x equals negative 4. Combine my like terms, and I have 4x equals negative 4. Divide both sides by 4, and I'm left with x equals negative 1. And if x equals negative 1 and y equals x, then y is going to equal negative 1. And I'd be done with that one. Okay? Last but not least, we were looking at this one. Again, it kind of looks a little goofy, but that's technically still in slope-intercept form. If I wanted to put a plus 0 at the end, I could. I'm just going to take this value, plug it in here. So now I have x plus 2x equals 3. Combine my like terms, and I have 3x equals 3. Divide both sides by 3. That goes away, and I'm left with x equals 1. And then all I have to do is plug that 1 back into that equation. So 2 times 1 is 2, so y equals 2. Okay? And that was our entry task, so hopefully you guys had plenty of time to get that done.